Hello and welcome to Material Design in Android course. In this course, we are going to have a really nice and beautiful course in material design in Android Studio. We are going to make our applications really beautiful and nice. First of all, in our first step, we are going to make a really nice and beautiful dark style for our applications. The next, I'm going to make vector assets for my project. I'm going to use icons in the Android Studio that they are really nice and beautiful. Then we are going to make our custom toolbar. We can use images, we can use text, we can use buttons in it, and we can use it in all our applications. Then we are going to have my HTML codes in Android Studio. We want to change the color to red, I want to change it to bold, I want to make links just in one text view, and I'm using HTML in Android Studio. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to make a floating action button that is float in our application, and I can use it everywhere. I can set on-click listener for my floating action button, and I can make it really nice and beautiful. After that, we are going to use our floating action button and make a SnackBar for that. Make a really nice SnackBar with custom colors and custom links. Then after all, we are going to make a pop-up menu in our application. As you can see, we are going to make a pop-up menu. After this, we are going to use Cardview. Cardview is one of the most important things in material design. That's going to be really nice in every application that we have. Then we are going to make our custom ProgressDialog. As you can see in the picture, I'm going to make my custom ProgressDialog with using gradient colors and make it really beautiful. As you can see in any applications or in many applications, I have splash activity. Splash activity and activity for the first, it comes with animations, and then we go through my activity. I'm going to make it in my project. That's going to be really nice, and we are using animations. After that, we are going to make a SwipeRefreshLayout. We are going to make our Udemy website in our application really easy, and we are going to make a swipe refresh layout. When we swipe, as you can see in the picture, my web view is going to refresh. And then I'm going to make my really nice beautiful text view. As you can see in the picture, it has animation and it's changing text. After that, I'm going to make my really nice and beautiful edit text. When I click on them, you can see they are changing their color and the icons too. And at the end, I'm going to make my really nice and beautiful buttons with using colors, gradient, radius, borders, corners, and everything. That's gonna be really nice. If you want to learn all of these things in one package, you can download and buy it from Udemy.com.